Real Cryptos, the ultimate investment guide for investors 34 to 54. If you're between the ages of 34 and 54, you're likely thinking about the future and planning for retirement. Cryptocurrency is an exciting and potentially profitable investment opportunity, especially when it comes to utility coins like XLM, XDC, XRP, and Algorand. These coins have legitimate use cases and are poised for growth in the years to come. Bitcoin is a great reference point for the potential success of these utility coins. At one time, Bitcoin was under $1, but those who invested in it early on have reaped incredible profits. The goal of this plan is to accumulate a minimum of 1,000 of each coin and hold on to them for the long term, allowing them to mature and compound in value over time. But before we get into the details of the plan, let's talk about some of the obstacles that people in our age group face when it comes to saving for the future. Many of us are burdened with debt or have children to support, making it difficult to set aside money for retirement. Additionally, some of us may not feel comfortable investing in the new and unfamiliar world of cryptocurrency. However, it's important to remember that time is on our side. By starting now and investing in these utility coins, we have ample time to become more acquainted with blockchain technology and its potential for long-term growth. And while there are always risks involved in any investment, a well-planned strategy can minimize those risks and potentially yield great rewards. So let's get into the plan. The goal is to accumulate a minimum of 1,000 of each coin and hold on to them for the long term, ideally on a hardware wallet or paper wallet secured in a safe place. By doing this, we are securing our future and potentially achieving the success that Bitcoin has seen over the last decade. But simply holding on to these coins is not enough. We must also educate ourselves about the different types of trust funds, staking, and yield farming. These strategies allow us to earn interest on our assets, compounding our wealth over the years. It's important to remember that Bitcoin didn't jump to today's prices overnight. It grew gradually over time, from $1 to $5 to $10 and beyond. The same could be true for XLM, XDC, XRP, and Algorand. Cashing out should be a last resort. The focus should be on earning interest on the assets and allowing them to compound over the years. While there are always risks involved, a well-planned strategy can minimize those risks and potentially yield great rewards. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency, specifically utility coins like XLM, XDC, XRP, and Algorand, can be a smart move for those aged 34 to 54 who are planning for the future. With a well-planned strategy, we can potentially achieve the same success that Bitcoin has seen over the last decade. It's important to remember that time is on our side and that by starting now, we can potentially reap great rewards in the future.